Millions of old tires are discarded every year. But inside this factory, they begin a remarkable journey into brand new roads. Every recycled road begins with discarded tires collected from local repair shops. Each worn tire still contains valuable rubber waiting to be recovered. The dealer purchases worn tires that can no longer be safely used on vehicles. These discarded tires become the raw material for recycling. Every tire is manually loaded to prevent unnecessary damage during transport. The truck gradually fills with recyclable rubber. The collection continues across the city. Every repair shop contributes to the recycling network. Tires are sorted according to size before transport. This improves efficiency at the recycling factory. Larger truck tires require additional handling equipment. The cargo now contains tires of multiple sizes. Commercial fleet tires provide large quantities of recyclable rubber. Every shipment increases the factory's daily production capacity. Even agricultural tires can be recycled. Nearly every type of rubber tire has a second life.
Okay, this load is for Section 4. Inventory is already logged. Got it. I'll back it up now. Watch your step back here.
Heavy equipment quickly unloads every shipment. The collected tires are organized before their journey to the recycling factory. Sorting by size improves transportation and factory efficiency. Each tire category follows its own recycling path. Thousands of discarded tires arrive here every week. This storage yard supplies the recycling factory continuously. The heavy-duty hydraulic loader grips the bundles, allowing the team to maximize space before the tires are recycled into roads. The cargo is carefully secured before long-distance transport. Safety is essential throughout the recycling process. The next destination is the recycling factory. The journey from waste to valuable material now begins. Collected tires travel many kilometers before recycling begins. Every shipment supplies the factory with essential raw material. How old tires are recycled into roads manufacturing. This is where discarded tires begin their transformation. Advanced machinery will recover every valuable material.
Everything in order here.
Okay, inspection passed. You may proceed.
Every shipment is weighed before unloading begins. The recorded weight helps track incoming recyclable material.
The unloading bay is designed to handle thousands of tires every day. Every movement follows strict safety procedures. After transport, the cargo is carefully opened for inspection. Every tire is checked before entering production. Hydraulic handlers unload the heavy cargo quickly and safely. The tires are transferred to the receiving platform.
Each tire is inspected before recycling begins. Unwanted contaminants are identified at this stage.
Loose dirt is removed before washing. This protects the recycling equipment from unnecessary wear. The conveyor delivers every tire to the automated washing line. Continuous movement keeps production efficient. Powerful water jets remove stubborn dirt and dust. The rubber surface is thoroughly cleaned before processing. Rotating brushes ensure every surface is completely clean. Only clean rubber moves to the next production stage. Hot air removes every trace of moisture. The dry tires are now ready for steel wire removal. Each tire enters the machine one at a time. The tire is securely clamped to prevent movement. Accurate positioning is essential for safe steel extraction.
The bead section is carefully cut to expose the steel wire. This prepares the tire for complete wire removal.
The steel bead wire is removed without damaging the rubber. This valuable steel will also be recycled. The recovered steel is collected for separate recycling. Nothing valuable is allowed to go to waste. The clean tire now enters the primary shredder. Powerful rotating blades begin breaking it apart.
The primary shredder reduces whole tires into manageable pieces. This prepares the material for further processing.
Strong industrial magnets recover loose steel fragments. The remaining rubber becomes cleaner with every stage. Air separators remove the remaining textile fibers. The rubber is now almost completely purified.
The purified rubber is ground into smaller granules. This is the first step toward producing high-quality crumb rubber. The rubber granules are ground into finer particles. This increases the material's quality for asphalt production. The screening system separates rubber by particle size. Only uniform material continues to the next stage. A final magnetic separator removes even the smallest steel particles. The rubber is now exceptionally clean. Air classification removes the final traces of textile fiber. The crumb rubber reaches its highest purity. Every batch is tested for size, purity, and moisture. Only approved material moves to asphalt production. The finished crumb rubber is stored in sealed silos. It remains clean and dry until needed. Computer-controlled feeders deliver the exact amount of crumb rubber. Accurate dosing ensures consistent road quality. The asphalt binder is heated to the proper mixing temperature. This allows it to blend evenly with the recycled rubber. The recycled rubber blends with hot asphalt to create a durable paving material. This process improves flexibility and road performance. Every batch of rubberized asphalt is tested before use. Only approved material is sent for road construction.
The finished rubberized asphalt is loaded into insulated transport trucks. The material must remain hot for road paving. The recycled material is transported while maintaining its temperature. Soon, these old tires will become part of a new road.
The paving machine is carefully prepared before laying the asphalt. Precise setup ensures a smooth and durable road. The hot mixture is transferred directly into the paving machine. Continuous feeding keeps the paving process uninterrupted.
The paving machine spreads the recycled asphalt evenly. This layer forms the foundation of a long-lasting road.
Powerful rollers compact the asphalt for maximum strength. Proper compaction increases durability and road life.
Every section is inspected for smoothness and quality. The finished surface meets strict engineering standards.
Fresh lane markings complete the roadway. The recycled asphalt is now ready for traffic. What was once discarded waste now serves millions of travelers. The recycled tires have begun a new life beneath every journey.
From discarded tires to durable roads, every step of the recycling process gives waste a valuable second life.